Hi, my name is Kevin Brooks, Business Development Leader with CDW with responsibility for AWS. I focus specifically on the public sector. Joined today by Jonathan LaCour, who's CTO of Mission Cloud, relative new addition to our CDW family. Welcome, Jonathan, and welcome to the call today.
Thank you so much, Kevin. And I think we have some exciting things to talk about with reInvent. Being a part of the CDW family now and being the dedicated AWS practice, it's always good to catch up on every little announcement and detail so that we can make sure our customers are successful.
Agreed. Any initial thoughts on reInvent and your experience so far?
Absolutely. I think this year has been one of the most exciting reInvents ever. I've been to every single one, and this one reminds me a lot of the very early days of cloud when there's everything new. The announcements are all highly impactful, and that has a lot to do with the fact one key word here is agents. That was the through line across the entire show, and improvements to AgentCore and other AWS services like Bedrock that support AI workloads. The thing that I think was the most exciting to me personally was AWS's announcement around Frontier Agents, which is an entirely new class of AI agent that is highly autonomous and can work for hours or days without intervention. This is sort of the recognition of the dream for me of agentic AI is having a fleet of worker bees, getting a lot of work done on my behalf, on our behalf. So I'm really excited to see where things head over the next 12 months.
No, I appreciate that perspective. This was my fifth reInvent. One of the things that I am always amazed about is the partner ecosystem that is on full display at reInvent, and whether it's in the expo hall or just talking to my network and meeting new folks at reInvent. Fantastic opportunity, tons of energy. Agents, absolutely. Word of the day, AI. Every company is trying to sort that out, what that looks like, what that means for our collective customers. And I think that really rang true in talking with pretty much everybody at the show is what can we collectively do more for our customers? And there's more upside than I think we all know, and lots of opportunity there.
Yeah, absolutely. And, it's been great to work with the CDW team and getting connected with our customers. And we're excited to be able to talk to you all and to kind of help you navigate AWS.
We're thrilled you're here. Appreciate your time, Jonathan. Just wanted to mention, if there's any questions you have for myself or Jonathan, don't hesitate to reach out directly. Reach out to your CDW seller, your Mission seller. We're here to support you across the board, and we look forward to helping you take the next step with AWS.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Kevin.